Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome back to another clean and motivational video. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning and organizing my daughter's bedroom. So we haven't cleaned in about 2 weeks because life just got really busy. So now I'm going to just try to take a few hours and get this room back together because she will be starting kindergarten really soon, and I'm just want everything to be organized. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise you.
So the first thing that we're going to do is try to organize all the toys in the different containers that I have. So I have this purple and black container off to the side where she keeps all of her dolls. This pink container that goes under the bed, it's just miscellaneous toys that are probably missing, or different cars or different things. And then we have two containers that's underneath her TV stand, which we put some books in them and, just like I said, different toys that don't really match, but she still sort of play with.
Love me the old kind of new way. Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up. Not once.
So what I start doing is having Isla help me clean, and I'm trying to do this every night, where before she goes to bed we try to pick up as much as we can. This way she can start to get in the habit of cleaning up, because before I didn't do this, but now just cleaning her room all the time is exhausting, and I need for her to help because she actually is the one who makes the mess.
Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old but kind of new way? Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that the mindset?
So what I'm doing now is getting under the bed. This is something that I try to make a point of every time I do like a deep clean, or just a really good clean, is to get under this bed, because there's so many things that I find under here: toys, books, sometimes clothes, extra socks. So I make it a point now to get under the bed each time I clean.
Just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Yeah, we hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it.
So what I'm noticing is with a lot of her toys at this age, because she just turned 5, is that a lot of the toys are starting to become smaller. There's like miniature LOL dolls, there's miniature little My Little Ponies, and then those little miniature toys have a lot of accessories. Like they have little tiny earrings and different things. So I'm just finding all of that on the floor. So I'm trying to organize that and get it together as much as possible. So we do put it in this black and purple container. However, she goes through this every time she plays and pull everything out. So, I mean, I don't know. Have your children have done this at this age? I can't really remember my boys doing this so much, but with her, I find that she takes every single toy out and play with it, and this is why her rooms get this way. And she also changes her clothes so many times. It'd be like clean clothes and I'm rewashing because she wore it and got it messed up. So this is what we're dealing with.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun for you and I. Every attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, don't worry about a damn thing. I'm too excited, dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing. It's all or nothing.
So right now, this is Isla trying to do her best of cleaning up. And we did have this organized where the top drawer was her Barbies. The second was her miscellaneous dolls that she got from the dollar store or Five Below. And then the bottom drawer was supposed to be for all of her LOLs. But honestly, at this point, I just put all the dolls where they fit in and all the accessories where they fit in. It's not a real system right now because every time I create a system, she messes it up. So just to make things easy, I just put the dolls all in that container so she knows this is the container with all my dolls. I don't know if it makes sense, but it makes sense when I did it. So right now I purchased some new clothes from Primark and H&M for her to go back to school, and she does not wear uniforms, so I'm just trying to, stock up on some of her fall clothes, some different pajamas, and I'm just going to organize these into her drawer system. She doesn't necessarily have a dresser drawer, but what I did was I bought this container from IKEA, and it was supposed to fit inside the closet. However, it does not fit in the closet. So I just put it next to her block here. So this is the closet that she had here. It's a very narrow, small closet, and I have 2 racks, what do you call them? Extension rods, so you can actually easily to pop them off, because the pipes to the bathroom is back there. I know I'm giving you guys all this information. Anyway, I will eventually like to do her closet over when she gets a little bit older, maybe like in another 3 to 4 years, just to make it a lot bigger. So that's why I haven't really done anything to it. I didn't paint the inside, but it is functional. It does work, and I like it. I have 2 rows, one in the front and one in the back, and it basically holds all of her clothes, but the container does not fit inside. And you'll see how I'm organizing the other clothes that I fold in this container.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
I'm outside
last thing that we're going to do is make up Isla's bed and put some new sheets on, and then we are coming to the end of this video. If you watched it up until this point, I just really want to say thank you so much for supporting me, watching my channel. And if you are not a subscriber, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? I do make a lot of videos where it's cleaning motivation, vlogs with me and the kids, some shopping videos. I just try to do everything that I do as a mom of 3, and just sharing my journey with you guys. And I just really love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning motivation, and thank you.